So, hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you what's the best time to upload post in Instagram. So, let's begin the video. So, the simple answer is it depends on your country. From which country you belong, the time can vary. So, I am telling you a simple trick. Just apply it, and every one of you, from whichever country you are, you can know what's the best time to upload post in Instagram. So first of all, open Google in a smartphone and search for at which time most of the users of India are active on Instagram. If you want to add a specific genre, you can also add a specific genre like gaming, comedy, like at which time the gaming viewers of India are active on Instagram. So like that you can search on Google. You will be able to find some pie charts and statistics, and you can go through it and know at which time it's best to post on Instagram. So that's how you can know at what time you should post your Instagram post. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.